Hi, Ryan here from Swanley Town Council. I'm Chief Executive of the Town Council. We're quite a large town council with a wide array of assets across our town, ranging from public bars, offices, doctors' surgeries, and also the obvious parks and open spaces. In fact, it's at Swanley Park, which has 400,000 visitors per annum, where we use Sunpower services, technology and solar panels to be installed on our soft play and our cafe facilities. So at Swanley Park, visitors can enjoy a boating lake with pedalos, canoes, rowing boats, enjoy a water park, a soft play centre which also hosts parties, the on-site cafe, a play park, a miniature railway which goes round the 60 acres of the park, and also there are other activities and facilities on site such as a children's nursery which houses 120 children, and also a outdoor play area group, a forest school called Awe and Wonder. There are many other activities that you can enjoy during the day at the park, such as inflatables, and we also have events such as fun fairs and circuses attend the park. So it really is a family day out, which is why it's enjoyed and loved by up to 400,000 people across the region and further afield. We have worked with Sunpower Services with our new contract at Swanley Park. We chose Sunpower Services because we have a carbon net zero goal for 2030 to be achieved. We don't necessarily have all the budget assigned to achieve that goal, so we're looking at innovative ways that we can achieve that in a quick and timely manner. Sunpower Services offered a fantastic agreement whereby they pay for the solar panels, install them, maintain them for the set term that we've agreed, and we both benefit through cost saving initiatives and of course through the carbon reduction. It's 131 tonnes of carbon saved over the duration of this term, which is obviously not an insignificant amount, as well as the savings that we make per annum, which we're still trying to work out at the moment, but we seem to indicate that they will be approximately 21,000 per annum. So we've got about 6 years left of our carbon neutral net zero goal. We've done quite a lot of amazing stuff already. We've planted 3,000 trees across the town. We've got an electric vehicle fleet for our team. We are looking to other initiatives, but solar panels was one which we were really struggling on going forward, namely because of the upfront costs. So having them supplied for free, having them installed for free, and having them maintained for free over the term of the contract was a no-brainer for us. We managed to unlock another key part and component of our carbon neutral goal. And we would like to continue that relationship and would recommend Sunpower Services to other councils and other bodies as well.